Spring is coming, and it's time to do something egg related.
Oh, gadget!
Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be making a special egg which is called the steamed pudding egg. And here are the ingredients. So what am I waiting for? Let's just get started. The first ingredient is really special and cool. It's a fresh salami which comes from Zlatibor. Zlatibor, it's a mountain with a lot of pines, and Zlatibor means golden pines. It has a lot of pines and a lot of mountains. It's really cool, and it has one of the best meats in Serbia. Next up, you're gonna be needing, this isn't really an ingredient, but you're gonna need a big pot so you can fit your egg in, and a pot which has some holes so you can steam it well, so not a lot of steam comes out. Next thing you need to have another little thing. I don't know how this is called, but you need something like this. It can be round, it can be. I'm going with this shape, just to put our egg pudding inside here. And then the next thing, you have some cheese. You can get whatever you want, salt, and a real nice thing, taco seasoning or sauce. It's sweet paprika and garlic. It's not the highest as milled. Have 4 eggs for 3 people to eat. 4 eggs is enough. And we got some water here. You don't know how much you need because it all just depends on how big this is and how much you have in here of eggs. And a mixer to mix all of these eggs and salami and cheese. And this is a really cool video, and I really wanted to show you this because it's Easter almost. And yeah, let's just get into cooking. So let's go. First thing you need to do is blend all of the things, but before that you need to put everything inside this nice blender. Of course, we first go with the eggs. So let's go, actually, let's do this. Okay. Another one. Of course, you can beat the eggs yourself, but it's an easier way if you have a blender. You can beat the eggs with something, with a blender or something, like me. Let's continue, and let's put in the cheese. You can do whatever you want. You can put in cheese first or something else first. Let's not make a mess and slowly do it. I want to make a mess. All of this cheese first. Next, you can now put a little bit of salt, because you're gonna add more salt later. And then taco. Let's do this. There we go. That's smells nice. And the last ingredient, which is salami. You could put like 4 inside, something like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, it's time to blend it. Of course, you can beat it with your own hands and things. I don't know what they're called, but again, this is very loud, so ear rape. I don't know why. Now you pour everything in here. Oh, nice. Perfect. It's almost done with everything you have to make. Now we put it in slowly here. And now it's time for the water. Now you don't pour everything. Let me show you. Pour like to half approximately of the bowl. Now you need some aluminum. There we go. You gotta shape it exactly like the bowl or whatever you're using it. So you have to first make it tight so it doesn't fall off. This is about as tight as I can go. Now, put something here. There are the holes. And let's now. So when this happens, when you see it starts happening, then you just, if you open it, a lot of steam is gonna come out, so I'm not gonna say that. But when you see that, you wait 10 more minutes after this. So remember that. And I'll see you in 10 minutes. Look how much is steaming now. It's steamed, you guys. Look, it's even coming from the other edges. Boom. It literally sounds like a volcano when you do that. Listen, listen. That's kind of scary. The best way to find, oh my god, sorry. The best way to find out how is this, oh god, it's hot. To move the aluminum, actually, zoom a little bit and then poke it. Oh, it's done. That's done. Oh god, it's hot. It's done, guys. It's hard. Sides. If I get this, you gotta drop a like on this video. Oh, I did drop a like right now. There we go. That's it. Oh, move. Okay. Grab a big piece. Oh. Looks real nice. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and have a good Easter and stay safe and turn on those notifications. And what else is to say? Just stay safe and don't go out without any reason. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye!